Welcome to our channel, and let's dive into the simple step-by-step process to verify your Square Seller account with ease. Welcome to our channel, and let's dive into the simple step-by-step process to verify your Square Seller account with ease. Verifying your Square account is an essential step that ensures your business operates smoothly and securely while accessing all of Square's powerful features. First, you need to log into your Square dashboard using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account and Settings section and select the Personal Information tab. Here, you will be prompted to provide your personal and business details, including your full name, date of birth, and your physical business address. Accuracy here is key, as any mismatched information can delay the verification process. Next, Square will ask you to upload some verification documents. Typically, these include a government-issued ID such as a passport or driver's license, a recent utility bill or bank statement as proof of your business address, and your business tax information if applicable. Make sure all uploaded documents are clear and legible. After submitting your details, Square uses advanced software to verify your information quickly, though the process can take up to a few days depending on verification load. During this period, watch your email for any requests for additional information or clarification. If everything is in order, your account status will update to verified, enabling full access to payment processing, deposits, and sales reporting features. Remember, keeping your account verified helps protect against fraud and builds trust with your customers. Always review your information periodically and update it promptly if changes occur. This simple verification process sets you up for success as a Square seller, unlocking the potential to grow your business securely and efficiently. Don't forget to check your notification settings within your Square profile to stay informed on any account alerts or updates from the platform. Thank you for watching and following along with our complete guide on verifying your Square Seller account effortlessly.